Hello everyone and welcome to my corner of the world. Today I'm sharing November's card class to go. This is my free class kit when you place a qualifying order, and that is a $35 product order before shipping and tax in my online store, and details will be below. And my class this month will be the supplies to make these 3 luxury Christmas cards. So this one is a fun fold, an easel card. Then we have an asymmetric gatefold card in contemporary colors, and then we have this, I'm not quite sure what to call it, kind of fold, but it opens like this and closes in beautiful navy and vanilla. So you'll get the supplies to make one each of these cards. I will provide the ribbons, and I will be able to emboss and punch items out, but I cannot provide any stamped images. So the stamp set I've used for these cards is the Christmas Classics stamp set, along with the coordinating dies. Now this bundle is $52. If you place an order for this, then you'll get the card kits for free. Or you could use the stamp set and a very pretty embossing folder that I also used on this. Or you could order anything you like from the catalogue, as long as it is at least $35 before shipping and tax. Well, I look forward to seeing your orders and sharing these card kits with you for my November online free card kit. Bye-bye for now.